We're in Antonito, Colorado, and there's a whole line of narrow gauge cars here that I'm gonna attempt to just film from my car because I'm lazy. And these are some interesting cars. This is right near the Cumbres and Toltec narrow gauge railway tour train. So one gray tanker says rotary water car. I'm wondering if that is for a rotary snow plow. Don't really know. Rio Grande box car. Couple of them. That one looks like it's in decent shape. Here's a little plow. And there is the shells of some passenger cars. That's interesting to see. Some box cars that need some real help. Pretty cool. Those look like coal cars right there.